Good day everyone. Today we are going to talk about laser, its origin, materials, inventors, and some fun facts about it. Starting off with its origin, in 1917, Albert Einstein first theorized about the process which makes lasers possible, cold stimulated emission. He detailed his theory in a paper titled On the Quantum Theory of Radiation. In 1954, Charles Towns and Arthur Schwallow invented the maser using ammonia gas and microwave radiation. In 1958, Towns and Schwallow theorized and published papers about a visible laser, an invention that would use infrared and visible spectrum light. However, they did not proceed with any research at that time. The following year, March 24, 1959, Towns and Schwallow were granted a patent for the maser. Origin of ruby laser. In 1960, Theodore Maiman invented the ruby laser, considered to be the first successful optical or light laser. Many historians claim that Maiman invented the first optical laser. However, there is some controversy due to claims that Gordon Gould was the first, and there is good evidence backing that claim. Origin of the Gordon Gould laser. Gould was the first person to use the word laser. He was inspired to build his optical laser starting in 1958. He failed to file for a patent for his invention until 1959. As a result, Gould's patent was refused and his technology was exploited by others. It took until 1977 for Gould to finally win his patent war and receive his first patent for the laser. Origin of the gas laser. The first gas laser was invented by Ali Javan in 1960. The gas laser was the first continuous high-light laser and the first to operate on the principle of converting electrical energy to a laser light output. In 1962, inventor Robert Hall created a revolutionary type of laser that is still used in many of the electronic appliances and communication systems that we use every day, which is the Hall semiconductor injection laser. Next is the origin of Patel's carbon dioxide laser. The carbon dioxide laser was invented by Kumar Patel in 1964. Origin of the Walker's laser telemetry. Hildreth Walker invented laser telemetry and targeting systems. The last one is the origin of laser eye surgery. New York City ophthalmologist Stephen Trokel made the connection in the cornea and performed the first laser surgery on a patient's eye in 1987. The next 10 years were spent perfecting the equipment and the technique used in the laser eye surgery. In 1996, the first excimer laser for ophthalmic refractive use was approved in the United States. Moving on now to the inventors. Theodore Harold Maiman was an American engineer and physicist who is widely credited with the invention of the laser. Charles H. Towns worked on the theory and application of the maser, for which he obtained the fundamental patent, and other work in quantum electronics associated with both maser and laser devices. Denis Gabor is the most notable for inventing holography, for which he later received the 1971 Nobel Prize in Physics. Alexander Prokhorov, an Australian-born Soviet-Russian physicist, known for his pioneering research on lasers and masers in the Soviet Union, for which he shared the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1964. Nikolai Besov, fundamental work in the field of quantum electronics, led to the development of laser and maser. Gordon Gould, an American physicist who is often credited with the invention of the laser. Last is Arthur Leonard Schwallow. His central insight, which Towns overlooked, was the use of two mirrors as the resonant cavity to take maser action from microwaves to visible wavelengths, and that makes the origins and inventors of lasers.
Here are the materials needed in making a laser cutter. Number 1, wood. Number 2, plastic and acrylic. Number 3, foam. Number 4, metal. Number 5, leather. Number 6, cardboard. Number 7, cork. Number 8, textile. And number 9, paper. Here are some fun facts about laser. Number 1, laser is actually an acronym for light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. Number 2, the first laser was actually a maser. Maser stands for microwave amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. Number 3. Einstein had a role in the discovery of laser. Number 4. Lasers are grouped into classes, which is class 1 to class 4. Number 5. Green laser pointers actually starts off as infrared lasers. Fun fact number 6. Chances are you can thank laser from helping you get out through a day. The technology let us do everything from scanning groceries at the checkout to removing regretted tattoos. Number 7. Unlike the sun or a flashlight, which shines into a broad range of colors combined to produce white light, lasers lace by producing a concentrated beam of a single wavelength or color. Number 8. China's Super Intense Ultra-Fast Laser Facility or SULF fired a single pulse of laser equivalent to 5.3 petawatts or 5.3 quadrillion watts. That's all for all our top 10 fun facts.